Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will see example of strings in a switch statement in Java. So we are going to have our static string. This will be topic static final string, and this will be medium. Then we are going to have another one public static final string. This will be hot. And then we are going to have our main function. Our spice level set to medium hot. Then our switch statement, in which we are going to pass in spice level. And be case mild. Or medium hot. So this will be our medium. And add underscore and then hot. And then we are going to print a message. Pies, please enjoy your meal. And then we are going to have another case check for hot. And we are just going to print system. Ice level. Ice level is hot. And we are going to add the default case. And we are going to say, please select the spice level. And we're just going to run our code, and our spice level is medium hot. It should match over here, and print this message: please enjoy your meal. Let's run our code, and we get please enjoy your meal. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.